Have you ever sat down to work or study, but within 5 minutes, your hand automatically reaches for your phone? You only intended to check one notification, but before you know it, an hour has passed. You are stuck in a loop of doom scrolling. You feel guilty, you feel unproductive, you might even feel stupid. But listen closely, you are not lazy. The problem isn't your willpower. The problem is your brain chemistry being hijacked. Today we are going to fix that. We are going to reset your brain using a technique called the Dopamine Detox. To understand why you can't focus, you need to meet dopamine. Simply put, this is the pleasure molecule. Our brains are wired to chase dopamine. Ancient humans had to hunt all day to get a dopamine hit from food. It was hard work. But in the modern world, dopamine is cheap. Instagram likes, dopamine. Fast food, dopamine. Cat videos, dopamine. Your brain is drowning in cheap dopamine. As a result, it refuses to do hard things like reading, studying, or working, because those activities provide dopamine too slowly. Your tolerance is too high. So when you try to do boring work, your brain rebels. The solution is a dopamine detox. Think of it like fasting. If you eat junk food every day, broccoli tastes terrible. But if you fast for 24 hours, even plain rice and water taste amazing. It's the same with your brain. If we cut out the cheap dopamine for a while, boring activities like studying or finishing a project suddenly become interesting again. So how do we start? Step 1. Identify your enemy. What steals your focus the most? Is it TikTok, video games, or WhatsApp groups? Write them down. Pick one day this weekend. For 24 hours, avoid all sources of instant gratification. No social media, no Netflix, no video games, no music. But that sounds boring. Exactly, that is the point. Let yourself be bored. When your brain has no digital escape, it will force you to do something productive just to kill the boredom. Suddenly, cleaning your room or reading a book feels better than just staring at the wall. Step 3. Long-term rules. After the detox, don't just go back to your old habits. Set a simple rule. No phone for the first hour after waking up, or phone on airplane mode while working. Focus is the most valuable currency of this century. Whoever controls their focus wins. The world is full of distractions. Don't let algorithms control your life. Take back control of your brain. Starting today. If you are brave enough to take this challenge, comment down below. I am ready. I want to see how many of you are serious about changing your life. Like and subscribe to grow with us. See you in the next video.